So let's take a look at an area question from the Junior Cert Higher Level 2012 Paper 1. So it's question 10, and it's an area question that involves some algebra. We're given the following triangle and told that the base of the triangle is 2x and that the perpendicular height of the triangle is x plus 3. We're also told that the area of this triangle is 10 centimeters squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up an equation in x for the area of a triangle and let it equal to 10. So the formula for the area of a triangle is half the base multiplied by the perpendicular height. And so we have that half the base by the perpendicular height is equal to 10. So we'll fill in for the base and the height. We have half, the base in this question is 2x, and the perpendicular height in this question is x plus 3 is equal to 10. I could get rid of the fractions by multiplying both sides by 2, but I can see that a half of 2x is simply going to be x. So I have x on x plus 3 is equal to 10. I'm going to multiply out the brackets and I get x by x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x equals 10. And I can see that this resembles a quadratic equation. We're going to need all the terms on the left hand side. So we have x squared plus 3x, and if I subtract 10 from both sides I have minus 10 is equal to 0. The easiest way to solve a quadratic if we can is to factorize. So I set up two sets of brackets. The first term in each bracket is going to multiply to give x squared, so that's going to be x by x. The second term in each bracket multiplies to give minus 10. So we have 10 and 1, or 5 and 2. So we can see that 5 and 2 can probably combine to give 3. So 5 and 2. To check our signs, we can see that the product of the inner 2 is 5x. And the product of the outer 2 is 2x. And we want the sum of those to give us 3x. And we can see that if we have plus 5 minus 2, so plus 5 minus 2, we have the correct factorization. So we let each bracket equal 0, x plus 5 is equal to 0, and x minus 2 is equal to 0. On the x plus 5 equals 0, if we subtract 5 from both sides, we have x is equal to minus 5. For x minus 2 is equal to 0, we're going to add a 2 to both sides, and we get x is equal to 2. Because we're asked to find the distance x, and because x must be a positive value, we know that the only solution to this equation is x equals 2. X equals minus 5 is not a valid solution, as it's a negative number and we cannot have negative distance.